in today's video we're going to learn the masculine nouns with ending of as. O γείτονας, the neighbor. O γείτονας has the accent on the third syllable from the end. Ο γείτονας, του γείτονα, possessive, το γείτονα, object, γείτονα, when we call him. Οι γείτονες, plural, the neighbors, subject, των γειτόνων, of the neighbors, possessive, τους γείτονες, the neighbors when they're an object, and οι γείτονες, and the neighbors just when we call them. As you can see, the tonos drops in possessive, in plural possessive. So from οι γείτονες becomes των γειτόνων. In singular we have no change, the tonus remains the same. Ο γείτονας, του γείτονα, το γείτονα, γείτονα. We don't have an N here because gamma is a soft sound. We usually have an N when we talk verbally, but when we're writing down, we put the N next to ton. We put an N when the noun starts with a vowel, or it's one of the hard sounds. K, h, b, t, x. Now let's see another masculine noun, ο άντρας, which the accent is on the second syllable from the end. And it will not change in singular at all. Ο άντρας, του άντρα, τον άντρα, άντρα. And then we have οι άντρες, the plural, των ανδρών, the accent's gonna drop των ανδρών, τους άντρες, the accent's gonna go back, άντρες. Let's see these two nouns in a couple of examples. Ο γείτονας, the neighbor. Ο γείτονας, the subject. Ο γείτονας ξέρει καλό κολύμπι. The neighbor knows how to swim well. Του γείτονα, of the neighbor. Ο κήπος του γείτονα είναι πάντα περιποιημένος. The garden of the neighbor is always tidy. Το γείτονα. Βλέπω, I see, τον γείτονα κάθε μέρα. I see the neighbor every day. Γείτονα, neighbor, when we're calling him. Γείτονα, ξέχασες τα κλειδιά σου εδώ. You left your keys here. Οι γείτονες, it's the plural. Οι γείτονες έχουν 2 σκύλους. The neighbors have 2 dogs. Των γειτόνων, of the neighbors. Τα αυτοκίνητα των γειτόνων είναι μεγάλα. The cars of the neighbors are big. Τους γείτονες, the neighbors when they're an object. Ξέρουμε τους γείτονες εδώ και πολλά χρόνια. We know the neighbors for years now. Γείτονες, when we're calling them. Γείτονες, ελάτε για καφέ. Neighbors, come over for coffee. Ο άντρας, the man. Ο άντρας δουλεύει 8 ώρες την ημέρα. The man works 8 hours a day. Του άντρα, of the man. We can say, μπορούμε να πούμε, η βαλίτσα του άντρα είναι καφέ. The suitcase of the man is brown. Τον άντρα. You see we have an N here because άντρα starts with a vowel, so we always have to have an N when the noun starts with a vowel. Τον άντρα. Δουλεύω με τον άντρα εδώ και 2 χρόνια. I work with the man 2 years now. Άντρα, when we call him. Άντρα, άφησες εδώ τη βαλίτσα σου. Man, you forgot here your suitcase. Οι άντρες, when they're subject and when they're plural. Οι άντρες ξέρουν καλά τη δουλειά τους. The men know very well their job. Των ανδρών, of the men. Μπορούμε να πούμε τα εργαλεία, the tools, των ανδρών, of the men, είναι στην αποθήκη. Are in the garden, in the storage. Αποθήκη is the storage. Τους άντρες, when they're an object. Ακούμε τους άντρες, we listen to the men, από μακριά, from far away. Άντρες, when we're calling them directly. Άντρες, μην κάνετε φασαρία. Men, don't be so loud. Παρακαλώ, please. So, these were the masculine nouns with ending of as. I hope this video was useful for you. We're gonna make one last video with masculine nouns with ending of is, and then we're gonna move forward to the feminine nouns. Thank you for watching and until next time, bye!